Hey, it's Tim Fraticelli here with PT Progress, and in today's video, I'll answer the question of which massage gun head you should use for different issues, and I'll share which one is my absolute favorite massage gun head attachment. Now, most massage guns will come with a variation of these 5 attachments: the bullet, the fork, the ball, the flat round, and sometimes this soft padded attachment. I'm using the Bob and Brad massage gun in this video because it's the one that I personally bought for a family member, and because I think it's just the best overall massage gun for the price. But we're not reviewing this massage gun right now. You can see a full review of that up here. We're reviewing the attachments and how to use them today. So obviously, you can use attachments however you want, but with a little thought, you can use the right one for the fastest results. So let's break down each piece one at a time. The first attachment is the fork attachment, and you're going to see this attachment in almost any massage gun out there. It's very popular, and I like this massage gun attachment because it's useful for large muscle groups like the quads and the hamstrings and the glutes, because I feel like I can get the most coverage with a pinpointed force with the 2 parts of the fork here. I don't have any studies that show the recovery time and how quickly it happens with the fork, but I do think intuitively it just makes sense because this attachment is essentially like 2 of the bullet head attachments, and it has plenty of coverage for faster work and recovery for the larger muscle groups, so it just makes sense. One area I don't like to use this fork attachment is along the spine. Now, for some reason, people think it's intuitive that the fork attachment is used between the muscles of the spine because it just kind of fills that shape, but honestly, I don't like the idea of using this between the spine because of the spinous processes on the side and even in the center there. You have to be absolutely precise with this thing, and if you just vary by a centimeter or 2, you're going to hit against one of those spinous processes, and it's really going to hurt. In fact, any massage gun attachment with a hard plastic against any bony prominence isn't going to feel good, and so I don't recommend using this massage gun attachment over the vertebrae or the area of the spine because of the risk of hitting against the vertebrae. It doesn't feel good at all. So obviously avoid direct contact to the bone if possible with any massage gun head, but I'll show you one of the attachments that I think is a better fit if you're going to be using it against the lumbar paraspinals or the thoracic paraspinals of the back. Okay, on to the second attachment, the bullet head. And by the way, if you're new to the channel, welcome. We post practical videos here about physical therapy, career, and treatment and products to relieve your aches and pains. So if that sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing to the channel. I find the bullet attachment to be one of the most useful attachments because it's really easy to pinpoint areas and to get to deep tissue work. That said, it's not necessarily my go-to attachment, even though I like using this attachment because it's not very useful in sensitive areas like the forearm or the shoulder, in my opinion. But it's great for legs and even the back muscles, like I was saying earlier, because you can pinpoint along one side of the spine, as long as you keep it away from the spinous processes, because that won't feel that great if you hit against one of the transverse or spinous process right down the middle of the back. Any place that you need a deep tissue massage, though, the bullet attachment is going to do well. So particularly along the top of the knee or the quad or even in the glutes, it could be a really great way to pinpoint a deep tissue massage. Okay, now for the ball attachment. Some massage guns will have a foam ball attachment like this, and some will include like a plastic or even a hard rubber ball attachment. The great thing about this attachment is that you can use it with a graded control. And what I mean by graded control is that you could easily adjust the intensity by allowing the ball to contact the surface at different angles. Since the attachment here is round, it's going to feel the same regardless of the side that's in contact with the body, whether you're going straight at it or to the side. You're just going to feel like the same surface, but the degree of force is going to change because of the direction of force. It's not going to be directly in here. You could have it to the side, and that's kind of like a cross friction massage. So I like this massage gun head for that purpose. If you're looking to cover an area that's a little bit more sensitive, that change in angle can allow for greater or lesser force depending on where you're going to use it, whether it's in the foot or the shoulder or the forearm. I think this attachment can be very useful as a way to lower the intensity of the massage gun by changing the angle. Okay, on to the fourth common attachment before we get to my favorite attachment. I'll call it the flat round attachment, and it's used for medium to large muscle groups. I like using this flat round attachment because of the flat surface, which helps to distribute the force, which can be really helpful on bulky muscle groups like the calf or the biceps, because it doesn't go as deep as the bullet attachment, but for a sore or a sensitive area like the calf or even the deltoids to the biceps, it can be really helpful to have an attachment like this that helps to spread out the force of the percussion massage because of the flatness of the head here. So I think this is a great option for sore areas on tissues that are a little bit more bulky and have a little bit more give to them, like the biceps or the calf. Especially helpful if those areas are sore. The flat round attachment is your go-to for that one. All right, on to my favorite attachment, which I call the padded round attachment that has a little bit of air inside. This one in particular came with the Bob and Brad massage gun, and it has a cushion of air which makes it really comfortable to use around areas with bony prominences like the spine, the shoulder, with all of those bony parts here, and even the wrist and the feet. I like using this when I'm massaging against my upper trapezius because I feel very comfortable that I can control how intense it is, and even if it does kind of come in contact with my upper neck, the padded surface makes it a little bit more comfortable. The nice part about the padding is that it has a little give to it, so if you go against your wrist bone, for example, it won't make you jump off the table like it would if you hit it with a hard attachment directly, like one of those bullet head attachments directly onto the bone. Now, that's not to say that you don't get a strong massage from this attachment. It still allows the unit to deliver a really powerful percussion to your sore muscles, but the padded design makes this one of the most comfortable attachments that I've ever used with a massage gun, and it's definitely the go-to piece that I have with my massage gun. In fact, it just stays on here most of the time, and whenever I need the massage gun, there it is. Let me know what questions you have, and if you have a preference on which attachment is your go-to. And if you found this video to be helpful, I'd love it if you gave it a like below, and also be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.